VE10 video over IP extenders are designed to address the challenges faced by systems integrators. They offer multi-functionality in extender, splitter, matrix switch, video wall, and daisy chain applications. Setup is easy. Step 1. Use the push buttons to set up ID numbers for each transmitter and receiver. Step 2. Connect the transmitters to the source devices and the receivers to the displays. Step 3. Connect your transmitters and receivers to the network switch. Step 4. Set up your network switch. Enabling IGMP version 2 and jumbo frame is essential. For more detailed setting suggestions, please refer to our implementation guide. Step 5. Connect your laptop to the network switch. Use IP Installer to instantly identify the IP addresses of your connected units. Step 6. Open the browser and key in the IP address of any of your transmitters to log into the VE Manager, an intuitive web GUI to manage your whole system. Step 7. VE Manager has an auto IP function that can help you to assign IP addresses automatically. Now you can easily manage your profiles and create video walls via VE Manager. You can preview all your sources right on the dashboard, drag and drop content, and customize the layout. VE extenders support both horizontal and vertical display orientations to suit all your display needs. Another key point that sets the VE series apart from the competition is support for daisy chaining. This allows you to expand your AV network coverage to hundreds of meters without cable clutter or extra network switches. Manage all your different profiles on one clear and intuitive platform. A10 video over IP extenders make networked AV easy.